Strange sights in the sky. Back again. Were you waiting? Here is one. The only one I see tonight in the sky. I just saw a plane first, and then there was something next to it. Couldn't get out my camera in time, and wasn't sure if that was a plane. And guess what? It's too late. Okay, it changed shape. It is another energy sphere. And has some colors in it. It is the brightest light in the sky tonight that is not a star. Stars don't change shape. Well, it's much nicer out here now. It's so friggin' hot today. I am not a hot weather person. Away from the beach, I mean. Oh, there we go. Wow, that was a real good plane. Just jumped right in the frame. Didn't care that I was filming. Sitting on his doorstep filming. Oh, I just didn't want to stand up, that's all. He locked the door as if I was gonna break in. Come on. Come on, you don't know me well. So it is Monday night, 23rd of June, I believe. Yep. And tomorrow is supposed to be close to 100 degrees, so I'll be indoor. What was that flash? Holy crap. Now there was a plane flying overhead, but that was worth seeing this video for. That was a strange flash, strange sight, and no.
Okay. Well, this is the Star property, so if you don't mind. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, sure. I was just filming this in the sky here. Oh, it's not even your place. Go fuck yourself.
Essa bicha velha fissurou no menino.
People are so uptight when you're sitting on your doorstep. You know who wears the pants in that family? Probably have to cut this out now and edit. I wouldn't doubt that the guy that walked by me and locked the door called these annoying neighbors that just told me to get lost, and in a few words like it's their property. No, it's really not, because you're still paying maintenance. Probably as expensive as the rent is. I guarantee I pay cheaper rent than you. I don't think I'll be sitting on people's doorsteps again anytime soon. People think they actually own property. They really own nothing. All the taxes you're paying on it. This isn't what the video is about. This isn't going to be a real long video because except for that flash that took up half the screen. And there isn't too much out of the unordinary tonight. These videos will never be ordinary, but you may have seen similar things many times. I'm well aware. This lady's driving by me, slows down to take a look at what I'm filming. People are so nosy. Usually when I film on anyone's steps, I'm very quiet about it, incognito. But they're out in droves tonight. There's nobody at the moment, which is great, but, and I don't care, but when they see you filming and you're minding your own business, I don't know. Really gets on your nerves. So that's why I'm standing up now. It's no problem. Not a problem at all. I should have started the video this way. Yep, you saw it move there. You saw it change. Change again, a little bit. So maybe I'll keep it in, I don't know. This is what happens when you film on somebody's property. Yeah, she had to make that very clear. I don't see any private property sign. Do you have property? It's just an apartment. Property is land, lady. That's what I should have told her. And you usually have to have a sign that says it's private. I don't even think I explained that I was filming. I just pointed like, you know, I've got a iPhone with a image stabilizer pointing up at the sky. All right. Well, it's nice to get out there again. We get out on a regular basis. It's supposed to be nice for the next few days, then more rain. What else is new? We're in tropical season now. It's summer. And this is strange sights in the sky. Signing out.